Use two hands, but you will not be able to lift it. Wow, have you ever felt a bottle so heavy? Is this your friend?
My sister.
Your sister. Lift that bottle, see if you're strong. Oh, you're the strong one. You're the strong one. Even heavier, even heavier. Really try. Really try. Now that's what I call the power of hypnosis. And I'm not just talking about the girl that couldn't lift the bottle. Did you notice how her sister, who came forward, as she picked up that bottle, she had this sort of, this is going to be heavy look. And she was actually surprised when she could lift it. She had a level of hypnosis in herself, even though I didn't do a formal induction on her. She knew her sister, she trusted her sister, and if her sister couldn't lift it, she made that connection inside her mind that this must be heavy, and so she was surprised when she could lift it. That's a level of hypnosis in itself, because hypnosis is happening all around us. So this week, once again, I've got a complete induction, several skits and a conclusion at the end, so keep watching all the way through. This is going to be a fun video this week. As for that girl, the sister Hannah, she can be pretty persistent, so keep watching and find out inside exactly what I mean. Hi there, my name's Turan Mirza. I'm a hypnotist and clinical hypnotherapist, and every week I show you some lovely street hypnosis or some form of hypnosis on this YouTube channel. And this week, thanks to this girl here, Hannah, she's the sister of the subject you're going to see today, and Hannah dropped me a little comment on a video just after I'd released the first video from QCon, that's Queen's University's sort of Comic-Con type anime and gaming convention. Hannah said in this comment here, you can see it here, she says, "Hey, my sister was actually hypnotized by you. She found it really interesting. Can't wait to see the video of her. She was in a Mimikyu costume." Now, I hate to admit it, as much as I am attending these anime costume events, I don't know all the different characters, so I had to email her back saying, you know, what does that look like? You know, because I had hypnotized quite a few people that day. Short and sweet, she replied with this comment here. She says, "That's my sister, and here's the picture." And immediately I realized that's Mimikyu and that's her sister. So I made that connection. I knew exactly what video to bring up. So I said, okay, I'll get that video up for you as soon as I can. I've got several videos in the queue. And she said, awesome. There's her comment. Awesome. Thank you so much. It was really nice meeting you at QCon as well. So, lovely girl, very nice, very polite. But then she started to send me another message last week saying, "Hey, any updates with the video of my sister?" There you go. And at this point I said, I better put that video up next. So this is why. So Hannah, your persistence has paid off. You're going to see your sister today. The video is coming up now, so make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give this video a like, and don't forget, click the big red subscribe button and that bell notification button next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time a new video comes out from myself. In the meantime, that said, if you have a comment, have a question about this video, if there's a video you saw live and you want to see it up on this channel, do please drop a comment in the comment section below. This is how Hannah got her way to see her sister on the YouTube channel. So please do utilize the comment section. If you've got questions about hypnosis, please drop it in the comment section below. If you want to ask me something privately, my contact details, my social media details are also in the description section, where you can get in contact with me directly if you want to. But in the meantime, let's watch this video. There you go, happy days. Right, put your feet together, stand up straight. Have you been hypnotised before?
Nope.
You're happy enough to be hypnotised by me?
I always wanted to get hypnotised.
You always wanted to be hypnotised, and your name is?
Barry.
There, look at your hand. Look at the lines in your hand. Pick one spot and one line. That's it.
Right,
You don't need to point. Just look at that spot. Continue to focus all your attention on that spot. As I move that hand, there you go, on that unconscious little finger movement tells me you're already going into hypnosis. As I move that hand towards your forehead, as you feel the breeze blowing through your hair, just notice how that hand starts to drift towards your forehead all by itself, without any conscious thought on your part. Getting closer and closer and closer. Isn't that cool? Close your eyes down now and let that hand continue to drift all by itself. Knowing when that hand touches your forehead, your hand will drop down by your side, your head will drop down to your chest. I'll go into a fun, wonderful feeling of hypnosis and relaxation now. That unconscious mind is already getting closer and closer. Your legs and back will support you all the time as your hand gets closer and closer, knowing when it touches your forehead, your head will drop down to your chest, your hand will drop down to your side, and sleep now, way down, deeper, deeper, deeper relaxing. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting and sinking down even deeper still, letting all the sounds around you help you absorb you into this wonderful feeling of relaxation and hypnosis. Now, your unconscious can take you down even deeper still. As I count from 10 down to 1, allow your unconscious to go even deeper. So 10, going deeper now, 9, even deeper still, 8, 10 times deeper still. Feel that relaxation washing all over you, through you as you stand there comfortably. And 4. By the time I get to number 1, your unconscious will take you to the place that even I can take you to, so where everything I say will become your reality. And 3, even deeper. 2, so deep, so relaxed. And 1. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3 you can open your eyes, you'll be back with us, but every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, your head will drop back down into your chest, your eyes will close, and you'll double this feeling of wonderful relaxation. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Wasn't that cool? Ooh. Look at my hand. And sleep now, way down, 10 times deeper, 20 times deeper, even deeper now. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Isn't that wonderful? Sleep, way down, even deeper, even more relaxed. That's it. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3 you can open your eyes, and this time you're going to feel so good, so wonderful, that it's almost as if your knees are locked, your legs are locked, your feet are stuck to the floor. It's like your feet are stuck to the floor. You will not be able to move your feet. And the more you try and move those feet, the more those feet lock and stick in position. Those feet just lock and stick in position. It's like they're cemented to the floor, like they're glued to the floor. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Isn't that cool?
That is amazing.
It is amazing. Go ahead and try and move your feet now. Really try. Really try. Harder you try.
What?
Isn't that cool?
What?
That's it. They're really stuck. Really stuck. There you go. Look at me. Look at me. Isn't that cool?
What's amazing?
What's it feel like? It is amazing, isn't it?
I mean, it feels like the gravity is 50 times stronger on my feet alone. Everything else is fine, but feet.
Look at my hand and sleep. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3 this time your feet will no longer be stuck. But just as quickly as your feet become unstuck, you'll see a bottle. You'll see a bottle, and it will feel like it's 10 tons. It feels like it's 10 tons. You will not be able to lift that bottle. And the harder you try to lift that bottle, the more that bottle just sticks to the surface it's sitting on. It sticks to the surface it's sitting on. You will not be able to lift that bottle. Nod your head that you understand. You'll get thirstier and thirstier the more you try, but you will not be able to lift that bottle. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Wow, you look a bit thirsty. Have a drink. Really try. Heavier and heavier. Heavier and heavier. Use 2 hands, but you will not be able to lift it. Wow, have you ever felt a bottle so heavy? Is this your friend?
My sister.
Your sister. Lift that bottle. See if you're strong. Oh, you're the strong one. You're the strong one. Even heavier. Even heavier. Really try. Really try. Okay, stop trying. Stop trying. Isn't that cool?
That's amazing.
And you're getting thirstier, aren't you? Sleep way down, deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. In a moment you will be able to lift that bottle. You will be able to lift that bottle, but just as quickly as you can lift that bottle, you will forget where your mouth is. You will forget where your mouth is. You will not be able to find your mouth. Your mouth will move to some other place in your body, but it will not be where it used to be. Your mouth will be in a different place inside your body, and the more you try to find that mouth, the thirstier you'll get. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Wow. Have a drink. You look like you're getting thirsty.
I can't even open it.
Thirstier and thirstier. Thought you were thirsty. And it moves to a different place. Thirstier and thirstier. Take a drink. Or do you try?
No, I don't want to smell it. That's something.
Tell you what, put the lid on. Put the lid on. Set it down for a moment.
That's like my brain is lost.
You know that game you were taught when you were young? This is your ears, this is your eyes, that's your nose. Play it now. This is your ears, that's your eyes, that's your nose. Where's your mouth?
Oh, I don't remember.
It's gone now. It's gone. This is your ears. This is your eyes. That's your nose. Where's your mouth? This is your ears. This is your eyes. That's your nose. Where's your mouth? Isn't that cool? And it gets funnier. And it gets funnier and funnier. And it's like a belly laugh. It's like a belly laugh, isn't it? You can't stop laughing. And you start to laugh like a posh lady. You start to laugh like a posh lady. Now you start to laugh like a donkey. Funnier and funnier. Look at me, look at me. Sleep. Way down, deeper, 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 relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting and sinking down deep inside. And then I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, you will remember where your mouth is. You will no longer feel thirsty. You might even want to take a drink if you want to.
When I say tickets,
but when you're awake, I'm going to ask you who your favourite movie star is. Who is your favourite movie star? You're going to tell me who your favourite movie star is. So have a think about that now. That person you've always wanted to meet. That famous movie star that you really want to connect with, that you really want to get a selfie with. You want to think that now. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, wide awake. How's it going? You having fun?
Yeah.
Who's your favourite movie star?
Does it have to be like movie, or can it be anime?
Movie, anime, TV programme. Who's your favourite? Someone you would really like to meet in real life. Johnny Depp. Oh, no, you've been watching the trial?
Because I love the Jack Sparrow character.
Yeah, Jack Sparrow. He's a great character, isn't he? And sleep now. Deeper, 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 relaxed. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3. On the count of 3, you're going to look over to your right, and you're going to see a guy in the black top. You're going to see a guy in the black top. And you're going to realise that he is Johnny Depp. Oh my goodness, you're going to realise he's Johnny Depp, and you're going to feel really excited inside. You're going to feel that buzz of excitement. You're going to ask for his autograph. You're going to want to take a selfie. You're going to ask your sister or someone to take a selfie with him, and you're going to tell him how much you love his movies. You're going to tell which one of the Jack Sparrow movies you like the best, and you're going to be such a fan of him. You're going to really be excited about him. Feel that excitement starting to build inside. And 1, 2, 3, wide awake. Wow, who's that? Do you know him? Does she know him?
yeah, absolutely.
Who is that? Who is it? I'm terrible with names. Who is it? It's, oh, yeah, so it is. It's Johnny Depp. Wow, I didn't recognise Johnny. Did you know Johnny Depp was going to be at KeyCon today? Wow. Get an autograph. Get an autograph. Here. Where's my pen? I had a pen somewhere. It's in my back pocket. Here we go. There you go. There you go. Johnny, get an autograph. Wow, Johnny Depp. Great to see you. You're over playing music in England, now you're here. Wow. Get a selfie. Get a selfie. Craig, somebody get a selfie with Johnny Depp. Tell him, what's your favourite movie?
The first Pirates of the Caribbean.
Wow. Happy days. Wow. Did you know you were going to feel that excitement inside? Wow. Yeah. And look at me. Look at me. Sleep. Way down. Deeper. Deeper. Deep you go. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. Drifting, sinking down, even deeper stuff. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3 this time, when you open your eyes, you're going to look down, and there's a lovely little Pokemon character. A lovely little real Pokemon character on the floor just at your feet. And you're going to love that character. You're going to pick that character. You're going to stroke that character. You're going to pick it up, and you're going to fall in love with that little character. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, wide awake. What's that? Wow, look at that. Oh, isn't it lovely? Give it a little stroke. Wow. Pick it up, pick it up. Oh, isn't that lovely? Wow. Did you know that little characters like that were here at QCon today?
What the fuck do you do that?
Ah, isn't that cool?
It is amazing.
It is amazing. Look at that. Wow. What colour would you call that?
Yellow.
Yellow?
It's
like a sun yellow, isn't it?
No, it's the Pokemon that I am cosplaying.
Oh, wow. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Wow. But oh, it's got diarrhea. Oh, look at it's all over your hand. Oh, put it out. Oh, wipe it off, wipe it off. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, look at this, and sleep now. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3, you'll no longer see it putting my carrot in the ground. It's going to feel like it's getting hotter and hotter. It's getting hotter and hotter, and you really want an ice cream. And when I hand you something, it's going to be an ice cream. It's going to be an ice cream, and you're just going to notice how it's dripping all down your hand. You're going to have to lick your hand and get the drips off your hand before you go anywhere near that main ice cream. You're going to have to lick all those drips because it's getting hotter and hotter. 1, 2, 3, you're wide awake. Oh, it's getting hot in here. You want an ice cream?
Yeah.
Here, have an ice cream. Yeah. Lick those drips. That's it. Oh, there's another one. Oh, it's dripping everywhere. Ah, there you go. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. It's getting hotter, isn't it? It's really hot now, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, it's all gone now, isn't it? Oh, look, the ice cream's all gone. And sleep now, way down, deeper, 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 relaxed. In a minute, when you wake up, you're going to realise this is not an ice cream, but it's a mirror. And the person you see in that mirror is going to be the most beautiful woman in the world. You are that most beautiful woman in the world. But you're going to tell your reflection how wonderfully beautiful you are. You're going to tell yourself how beautiful you are, and you're going to admire yourself in that mirror. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, wide awake. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Talk to that image. What's that image like, eh? There you go.
Very lovely.
There you go. Even more. Tell it more things.
I'm a very negative person. It's hard to say something like that to myself, but it does look nice.
It does look nice, doesn't it? That's it. And sleep now, way down, deeper, deeper, deeper. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and on the count to 5, all hypnotic suggestions will go. You will no longer see mirrors where they're not there. You will no longer see Pokemon where they're not there. But all that negativity that you might have had in your mind before is all going to just drift away. Like it's drifting away like a big helium balloon. You're going to realise now you're a more positive person than ever, and as your positivity changes, there you go. As that positivity enters into your life, filling that space where that negativity used to be, you'll see new opportunities, you'll find new opportunities, you'll have a greater confidence within yourself to be the best person you could be. And all your people around you, your mum, your sisters, all the people, all your friends will realise how wonderfully positive you are moving forward in life. And nod your head that you understand. So 1, feeling that feeling of hypnosis just disappear from the tips of your toes. 2, washing up through your legs, through your stomach, through your pelvis. 3, take a deep breath in. Feel that energy coming into you as that positivity comes into you. And 4, filling your head full of energy like a fresh mountain breeze. And 5, stretch and wide awake. Welcome back. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Do you remember everything that happened? Remember everything. Who did you meet?
Johnny Depp.
There you go. But it wasn't Johnny Depp, was it?
I should have expected that.
You were great. Round of applause. Round of applause. There you go.
That was amazing.
Well
Thank you
done.
so much.
Well done. You're welcome. Super stuff. Happy days.
Oh, it's cool.